Flexing my classmate and rate their attitude. First is my bestie, Trisha Kate, 10 over 10, pretty, white beauty, matalino, mabait na maldita. Oo, ganun po siya guys, mabait na maldita. Anis Lorraine J, 9 over 10, I don't like his attitude, but pretty, maputi, matalino, tall, and maldita din. And Jen Lester, 10 over 10, kasi I like his attitude, corny, maldita, medyo may kabaklaan nga lang. Jo Marie, 9 over 10, pasaway kasi siya guys, corny, medyo kabaklaan din. Best friend sila ni Jen Lester guys. Kyla May, 10 over 10, mabait, morena, medyo corny, matalino, short height. Pandak po ito guys, maganda naman, matalino rin. Jewel Kiss, 10 over 10, chubby, mabait, medyo maldita, pretty, and nice voice. Maganda pa boses dito guys. Para talaga sa inyo. Joke lang. Next is Jushane, 8 over 10, maldita, short, height, and morena. I don't like his attitude guys. Binubuli din to siya lagi. Gabriela, 9 over 10, mabait, medyo maldita, corny, hyper, always pretty. Hyper talaga to siya guys, ewan ko dito sa babaeng to. Queen Love, 9 over 10, pretty, chubby, and tall. I like his attitude. That's all, thank you. Please follow na din. Comment kayo, ano next?